Hi everyone, welcome. Meme coins are back and the crypto is booming because of the Robinhood chain. It's just launched on 1st July 2026 and now everyone is rushing to launch on tokens. In this video, I will show you the top 5 tokens on the Robinhood chain and keep in mind we are not promoting any kind of token and we are not uh, advising you to invest in any kind of meme coins. So our main goal is to introduce robinsmith.fun. It's a launch pad where you can create tokens, standard token, advanced token, reflection token and deflationary token. And you can also launch your token pre-sale. Here is the example of the pre-sale and here is the pre-sale detail page, so you can visit and check how this app work. Let's talk about the tokens that on the top right now on the Robinhood chain. The first of all is the uh, Pusam, and here is the token price, and also you can instantly buy and sell tokens here, and here is the market activity, the liquidity and the market cap, volume, holders and buy and sells. Keep in mind, before investing in any meme coin or token, do your own research and make sure the liquidity is locked and the uh, developer have no more than 5 or 10% tokens, and also developer cannot mint more tokens. So these things secure the tokens and have to grow up in the futures, as otherwise the developer can dump the tokens. So you can see the top 5 tokens on the nav bar. They are on the trending, so you can visit this launchpad and check them, and also you can